I'm Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this is how to read Seville chord notation. Seville notation is very easy, and it's one of the most common ways to write out how to play a chord. There are a lot of songbooks published that have these notations right above the lyrics so that you can learn the chords as you learn the song, or be reminded of a chord that you're unfamiliar with as you sing the song, as you play along with the song, without having to refer back to your chord changer app or your chord book to do so. It's pretty obvious once you figure it out, but let's make it even easier. Take your guitar off, turn it so it's facing you with the headstock pointed up. Compare the neck of your guitar to the chord symbol. The lines going up and down are the strings, and the lines going across represent the frets. The dots with the numbers represent your fingertips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your first finger and put it on the 4th string, counting from the high E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1st fret. Your middle finger, 2nd finger, goes all the way over to the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Then you can take your 3rd finger, or your ring finger, and it goes on the 3rd string, still on the 2nd fret. Your 4th finger, your pinky, winds up on the 1st string, still on the 2nd fret. And there's your B7 chord. If you get confused trying to flip it around with your guitar this way, then put it back in the stand and look again. It's not that hard. You'll figure it out, I'm sure. If you're having trouble making the B7 chords sound good, don't worry. There are 3 far easier and more useful chords in the next lesson. I'm Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Read Seville Notation. Thank you for watching.